It's always best to do this before there's a dispute. Without an LLC structure, and when let's say you have two owners of a property that are seeking partition, co-owners do have an absolute right to partition the property, absent a written agreement restricting that right. A referee then tends to take over the process to determine ownership shares, evaluate contributions, and oversee the sale process. Now, this may not sound like a big deal, but this can be a devastating scenario to face, especially when you're the individual owner who doesn't want to see the property sold. Maybe you're the one involved in management and you have the other partner who's not doing anything. And you happen to own the property with joint tenancy or tenants in common, but the bottom line is that the other owner is doing nothing. You're involved with the management, you're involved with the day-to-day, you're doing the maintenance and the repairs and the tenant rolls, etc. It can be a very disturbing scenario for somebody that doesn't wish to lose a property. How do we correct this? Enter the LLC operating agreement, the LLC structure, and means of avoiding partitions. Now, number one is that in an operating agreement, if you have members of the LLC that now own the property, let's say it's Bob and Ann, they own the property together, Bob and Ann, as members of that LLC, can agree to waive the rights to a partition action altogether in exchange for agreed upon exit mechanisms. So what does that mean? Well, there's some ways that we can work to establish or lay a foundation and a forward-looking of the parties to part ways if it ever becomes necessary.